Lately, I enjoyed a lot watching how other artists are painting carrots on their social media, and I decided that it is just a great way to prepare a beautiful greeting card for Easter with the theme of the carrots. And this is why today I will share with you the process of painting these beautiful carrots on your greeting cards for the beloved ones. I start my work with preparing my palette with orange color. Look whatever orange color you have. In my case, I use golden color, but if you don't have the orange color on your palette, what you can do, you can use yellow and red color, mix those and create this beautiful orange color. If you add more yellow, the color will be lighter, and if you add more red color, then it will be darker. Prepare a lot of color as those to stay the same in case you mix up colors. And I proceed with painting 4 carrots. I just recreate the form of a carrot and fill it in with color. And in this case, it is not important to create all 4 carrots the same. It is interesting to have different forms, shapes, and that it looks a little bit different. And with Titian red, that it is a darker color of orange, you can add more red color in case you are mixing the colors. I add some details, but pay attention that I add this color still on the wet paper. I don't wait till the paper dries, because my idea, I want to add some interesting shapes on this and to catch up the viewer eye once it will be drying. Don't be afraid to experiment with the losing effect. It is always a great start to initiate in this technique, because it allows you to create some interesting textures, structures on the work you are doing. As well, once the paper will dry, I will add details on with wet and dry, and it will be slightly different, the result. Now I prepare some green color. I use the lightest green I have. In my case, it is yellowish green. You can opt for any green you wish. I decided to go with this green color. I use it very few times, but I thought that for a postcard it would be great to have some popping up colors. And I'm not afraid either to add this green color into the carrot. And you can see that we recreate some beautiful darker colors and details on the carrot itself. Meanwhile, the paper, it is still wet. I add some green color to enhance the richness of the greenery on the carrot. It is important that you still leave some lighter green to stay visible. It will create an interesting catching up the attention for the viewer, because we have different colors of green, we have some lightings, we have some shadows, so it's just an interesting procedure. Now I add some green into the orange that I have, and I also add some details onto the carrot too, to leave some greenery on it. I dried the work, and now I proceed with some details on the carrots. I add some orange color, the same color as I used earlier, but this time I use a thinner paintbrush for details specifically. I add more color, less water for the orange color, and I add some interesting lines, some dots to recreate the shape of a carrot. It is important that at this step the paper to stay dry. If the previous details we painted on a wet surface, now we need that the surface to stay dry, and then only apply the details. You can leave to dry the work at the room temperature, or you can use any hair dryer to dry the work. Dear friends, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below. As well, don't forget to like this video, to share it with the beloved ones, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and till the next time, bye!